The EIRP Interactive Calculator solves wireless system power calculations for antenna installations. Let's look at the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options including Calculate EIRP, Calculate Required Transmitter Power, Calculate Required Antenna Gain, Calculate Maximum Allowable Cable Loss, Linear Power Conversion, and Calculate System Efficiency. We'll use Calculate EIRP. For transmitter power PTX, choose between dBm, watts, or milliwatts. We'll use dBm. For antenna gain GANT, select dBi relative to isotropic, dBd relative to dipole, or linear power ratio. We'll use dBi. For cable connector loss LC, pick dB or %. We'll use dB. Now let's calculate. With transmitter power at 30 dBm, antenna gain at 15 dBi, and cable connector loss at 2.5 dB, here's what happens. The calculator shows our EIRP equals 42.50 dBm, or 17.783 watts. It confirms our transmitter power of 30 dBm equals 1 watt. The antenna gain of 15 dBi has a linear value of 31.62. Our cable loss of 2.5 dB represents 43.77% loss. The system efficiency calculates to 56.23%. Notice the warning that this EIRP exceeds typical regulatory limits for unlicensed operation. This calculator streamlines RF system design calculations. Find the link in the description below.